Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today also I am going to do a 5 product makeup look. You guys really loved my previous video and you guys requested me to do another 5 product makeup looks. So in this video what I do, I grab 5 total products and I try to create a look with those products, and this is a very helpful video where you can actually use the product in so many different ways, trying to create look with minimal makeup products only. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So first I am going to start with a base, and for my base I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. You guys know I'm using this so much because I am in love with this particular product. It is such a beautiful product. So my skin is already moisturized. I am just going to use this particular foundation like a minimal makeup kind of a look. I'm blending it with my fingers and I'm just going to ignore this area and try to blend the foundation. So this is what my base looks. I am not going to use anything else for my base. Now I am going to use, oh my god, now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Nicka. This one is their Lucky Charm eyeshadow palette, and yeah, I think that's the name of the eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna take, like, look at the shades, it's so pretty, so beautiful. So I'm not going to do something crazy. I think I am first going to start with this particular shadow right over here, which is a beautiful greenish yellowish kind of a shade, and I'm just going to use it right over here all over my inner corners. I think I am going to use, I'm confused, I'm going to use this shade or this shade. I don't know, let's give it a try. So what I'm actually doing, I'm taking this particular shade right over here, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm trying to do something different. I'm trying to just look at that, trying to create some kind of ombre effect look, just like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the eye look, and I think it turned out really good. Now I'm going to use my eyeliner. I'm using this eyeliner today from Glam 21. This one is a liquid eyeliner and this is obviously in black. And I'm just going to draw a wing. Much it, and I'm just gonna use this lip liner from PAC. This one is in the shade Mauve. It's a very beautiful lip liner, so I'm just gonna use it to line my lips. It's out pretty good, and I'm gonna use it blush as well. Last step, I'm going to use my lip gloss. One is from Anastasia and this is in the shade Sparkle Lava. It's a beautiful sparkly glittery lip gloss. Love it. Just see. And this is the finished look. I just love how easy this was. Like, you literally need so much less product to do this look. And and yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm super happy how beautiful this actually turned out. And yeah, make sure to recreate this look if you want to. And this is like my 5 product makeup look. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.